Okay, here we have our metal detecting finds for August 2019. We'll start with the non-metal stuff. A bunch of weird little beads, two different lenses, little toy bottle, toy hat, toy starfish, a marble, broken ring, and a wristband. Then we did find a little bit of lead, a couple pieces of, I don't know what this is. It's a huge chunk of lead though. It's heavy. Just a few beaver tails. As you may know, I like to find those because it shows me I'm on old land or old dirt that has maybe not been detected yet. Here we have the copper bits. This was kind of cool. Number 142. I don't know if that's a tree tag or a cow tag or what. Found all of this, almost all of this in parks in the Phoenix area, with a short trip, with the exception of a short trip to Wyoming. Some quarters, one nickel, several dimes. Here we have a little computer board or something. And the thing I find the most of, the Zinkins. Did not find much this whole month, quite frankly. It's just hot. The copper pennies. Security section, just one key. No locks this month. A few zippers. Quite a bit of aluminum, including the fire camp aluminum. That's a big chunk there. That's probably a good 12, 13 ounces. Near a pound, I reckon. This one's brass, I think, this chain. Did include some trash this time. I'm going to start doing a new thing. I'm going to also, just as a side note, kind of include the trash that I picked up. Instead of just throwing it away, I'm going to kind of show you guys how much of this stuff I'm taking out of parks. This here, I think, is some kind of a geode, but it's got sort of a green tint to it, like it might have some sort of a copper oxide or something. And a fork. Mmm, tasty. Now for the interesting bits. I did find a little 3/8 inch socket. That's not so interesting. This is kind of fun. Little toy car. I found this with my new detector. First trip out of the shed with a Bounty Hunter Pioneer 220. Did not even know how to use the thing and accidentally found this, I think. Found these in an older part of town. These are new though. 3 9mm, one spent 22, and one whole round of 22, because that's a party, right? In Wyoming, I did find this here buckle. N.S. Meyer Inc. New York, solid brass, it says on it. And then here it's got a model number of BK-1, Bravo Kilo-1. Kind of neat. I found this in a potentially old area. It's got a bit of patina on it. That's just how I brought it out of the earth. That'll shine up real nice, but I don't know if I will or not. I might just leave it. This little ring. This was at a depth of probably 1 to 2 inches. Should be tarnished if it's plate, but I cannot find a mark on it that shows what it is. And another one of those car wash tokens. No cash value, but it's got in Sharpie a number 12 drawn on it, and a star on the other side drawn on it in Sharpie. And probably the coolest coin I found was 1957D wheat penny. Found this in Wyoming. Now the thing that makes this interesting to me, well, one, that it's a wheat penny. Two, that I found it. But I'm going to try to get the loop in here so you can see it. The 957 is all a bit lower than the 1. I don't know why. I don't know if that's just how it was that year, or if I just realized it. Or I don't know. It might be something, might be nothing. Anyway, didn't find a whole lot in August of 2019. September, I've already found a couple more Wheaties, a little bit more jewelry, quite a bit more in the clad realm. I probably found this much quarters in one day. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you've really liked seeing what I've found. I'd love to hear what you found. If you found something interesting, I would love to hear about it. Please put that in the comments below. And until next month, we're signing off.